how to select contactless pickup or delivery on the Shake Shack website. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. So if you want a safer contactless way to get your Shack order, well here is how to select it online. So now without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, open any web browser and now here, once inside, just click on the search bar and simply search for Shake Shack. And now here on the search result, just click on the first link and after that you'll be prompted to the official website of the Shake Shack. Now here you can simply log in with your account and once logged in, just build your order with your preferred Shack location and item. And there at the checkout, just look for the delivery or pickup option section. And there you can select contactless pickup or contactless delivery depending on how you want your order to arrive. And once you're done with it, just double check all your contact info and delivery instructions and then confirm payment to complete the order. And with that, just a pro tip is for the contactless delivery, you can add any specific instruction for the delivery driver to leave your order safely at your door. And that's it. That's how you can select contactless pickup or delivery on the Shake Shack website. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.